Hello and welcome to some Hero's Journey changelog update information for June 28th, 2025. Now, there could be no new features according to their announcements in the other day, but we got some lots of bug fixes here. So let's go through these and see what's changed. Fixed the discipline cooldowns not displaying correctly under some circumstances. Fixed character animations at low HP. This one's a big one right here. I don't know how many times I literally died because I didn't know what was going on because my animation stopped, but that's fantastic. That'll be good if they ever get that release hardcore mode, so it's like you still animate when you're about to die. Fixed descriptions of the proc effect on replenishing Fragment of Truth, a legendary. Corrected an issue where Zeb's egg may spawn in unexpected locations. I hadn't run into that one yet, but there we go. Fixed an issue causing Karana to incorrectly have a despawn timer in non-responding instances. Fixed an issue causing Bristlebane to incorrectly have a despawn timer. Fixed an issue causing various NPCs in the Carpin Death Ran cycle to have a despawn timer. Fixed an issue with Tarkle Addon to have a despawner timer. Fixed an issue causing level 90 potions to drop from some mobs. Fixed a bug with ranks 1 through 3 of Guardians of the Forest, causing them to apply as a regular buff. And split illusion effects off from the start. Fixed an issue causing Sea Fury Cyclops to path under the zone geometry. Fixed an issue preventing recourse effects with healing component from scaling with heal amount. Oh, that's fantastic. That sounds like a big Necro Shadow Knight buff right there. Fixed an issue preventing Funeral Pyre and associated effects from affecting some dot spells. Fixed an issue with Hand to Death, affecting dot spells. Fixed an issue preventing many AA-based modifiers from actually affecting the archery damage. Fixed an issue preventing bow damage from correctly scaling from bow damage. Seems like a big buff to Rangers right there. Like, I know they took a huge nerf in the combat melee range combat change, but this might bring them back up to par. Corrected an oversight in the legendary item skin which prevented low-level burning affection foci from being added to a number of items. Knight's Dark Terror has been adjusted to match similar illusions with a buff in order to separate the illusion and the buff. Oh yeah, that's fantastic. No one wants to run around as a stupid scarecrow ever. Just to get a life tap and attack buff, right? Like it's you know, it's fantastic to split those out. Corrected the interaction between extended affliction and splurt to allow the deal damage during its initial cycles. Fixed an issue preventing block buffs and block pet buffs from applying to the global buff system, so you can block the global buffs now. Fixed regression causing dot damage to be significantly higher than expected for low level dots. Interesting. Sounds like a nerf. Fixed regression causing client crash when buffs are restored from being suspended on a pet. Fixed a regression causing deleted characters to not be correctly removed from character sets. Character sets are like folders, so by default I think the Everquest client allows 8 characters, but they've modified some stuff to allow you to have more, and then even folders to put those characters in. So it's kind of cool thing there. Fixed a bug that prevented the Cascade of Decay from benefiting from focus effects. Cascade will in turn heal for 1/3 of the damage done. Fixed a buff that caused players to be stuck in combat when utilizing the Necropotence or Shadow Curse AAs. Oh my gosh, this was such a pain. It actually made it unfun to actually have those. Like every time you summoned a pet from killing something, right, on the unkilled pets, you would get stuck in combat even after everything's dead. It was just totally annoying. Bizarre and Back will no longer forget if you return to location if you have a trader's satchel. Fixed an issue where rate limiting on pet assists would cause them to not pick up a new target properly under certain circumstances. I'm not sure on that, because I click on something and my pets go attack it. Like, I don't even have to do anything. They just go and attack. So I don't know what's going on there. Corrected an issue with the Frozen Ball lightning chances. Celestial Fist can be clicked at level 1 to match other epics. Nice. Feral Pack adjusted to match other spells with both illusion and buff components. Storm Watchers guarding the entrance of Agnar's tower should no longer spam animations. Fixed an exploit with /cast to allow, which would allow you to cast higher level spells you should currently have access to. Because you can type /cast the spell name, right? And so you could /cast, you know, higher level spells, say you D-leveled or something like that. Group transportation and auto confirm on the waypoint transportation menu should now work correctly together. Hotfix items with change stance should now correctly work. There we go. We gave everything a pickle and good. So it's good that they're getting the bug fixes out. That's really good. That's going to help the server. With their hopefully their pending legal stuff goes away soon and they can enjoy getting something going here, because this is a fantastic server. This is a fantastic community, and I think if they get a license or whatever they need to do to move forward, I think this will be fantastic. But there we go. That's the changelog for June 28th. What is today? June 29th. So that was yesterday. I meant to make the video, I forgot, but there we go. So thank you very much for watching, and please have a fantastic day.